Steve, you've got another one of your beautiful plants. What do we have here?
We have a Giganta, a Plantz Giganta. And it is related to the corn plant, but not a corn plant.
Now, corn plant has those big, goofy looking stems, but this has a really nice, tight center.
What you get here is just an explosion of variegated foliage right out of the pot. No stems, just foliage, and you can see it's beautiful and colorful.
Nice, I like that variegation, I like the shiny leaf. Now, what happens? Invariably, it's a plant, which means it's a living thing, and you get a little bit of brown on the tip, which seems to show up on all of them.
So if you're a person, a human being, that can't handle a little brown on your live plant, what you want to do is just take a nice sharp pair of scissors, and I can take that tip and trim it right off, and it's like it never happened.
Voila, never occurred.
And Stan, you'll also get some damaged leaves. So if there's some physical damage on your leaves, what you want to do is go ahead, and if it's damaged to this extent, or this extent, take it all the way back to the stem.
Take it back down there.
Take that off, just like that.
I've seen people before like take a half a leaf and then it looks funkier.
No, it looks too funky. So just take the whole leaf off, and you never know it happens. So I want to get this one here, and now I'm in pretty good shape.
Now, what about watering? Now, we know that you've got your super sleuth. How do we decide how much water this one needs?
Well, we're going to always use our sleuth, and we encourage all our customers to go ahead and get one of these so they know what the soil moisture is down below the soil surface. Too many people will feel the surface of the soil and it's dry. Well, you can't really tell what's down 3 inches where the roots are. So I'm going to stick this in, and there's some soil moisture there. And this one, another characteristic of this plant, like the ZZ, is it's a light drinker. So it doesn't like wet feet. So you want to dry down the soil as much as you can before you water it. This is another plant that you don't need to check for water for 2 to 4 weeks.
Wow.
So it'll perform very well without much fuss.
But now the sleuth is an extra add-on, but it's a tool that everyone should have.
Yes, we're encouraging customers to get these guys.
I would think that'd be great, because who wants a dirty fingernail?
It beats a finger, it beats the electronic moisture meters that are sometimes not as effective. This tells you exactly what you've got down below the soil surface.
Now, with a large leaf like this, eventually you're going to be a little bit of a dust collector.
Sure.
What do we do?
So Stan, like the other plants, the main problem with this plant, with the big, large leaf surfaces, is you're going to get a lot of dust on it. So the simple solution is a light solution of soap, dish soap in water, and I'm just going to wipe the plant off. Support it underneath with your hand and pull on the leaf, and it cleans them up real nice.
Looks like you've done that more than once.
I have done it a few times in my professional career. And this also will handle the major bug problem with this guy is the mealybug, and if you get a mealybug or two on there, if you wipe it off with the soap, it usually cures the situation.
And I find in general this whole Dracaena family is a tough, rough group, it seems.
It's tough. The Dracaenas are the mainstay of the interior plant business. The Plantz, the Lisacanes, the Marginatas, all part of the same family, all found in the understory of forests, so they can handle low light conditions.
So they make an excellent office or home plant.
Exactly.
Now, Steve, I see we've got the larger size here. Do we have a smaller size of this as well?
We do. This is available in a smaller size. This particular plant is in a 14-inch grow pot, so you'll see it as a 14-inch Giganta that is about 36, 40 inches tall.
Okay.
But there are smaller sizes available at a lower price point.
Excellent.